Hello everyone, welcome to Code Review. So today I will show you a new library that we use to scan the credit card or Visa card. So here's the library, and here we just need to install this in the Gradle at this line. And here is the simple code that you can see here. This library is very easy and also customizable. Just create one button, something like that, on the press listener, and then we use intent for that, and then start activity for result. When it scanning the credit card, it will back to our fragment or activity here on activity result. So I think I will explain this in the project. So we implement this. Okay, so let's create a new project. I already tested it, so here I create a new one. Empty activity, scan card, scan credit, credit card. Okay, so it's okay. Use YouTube. Okay, so I need to create scan credit card. Okay, press OK and then finish. Here is the screen. So it's still building the application. So the first thing, you can go to their website. We need to copy this line, copy it, and go to the Gradle in the app module, and then place it at the bottom. Currently it is update, so we need to use implementation instead of compile. And this version is out of date, so we can use 5.51. Okay, and then see the project. Go to the main activity, that design button. Okay, so I will delete this one. Drag the button and then place it in the center of horizontal thing. Okay, so rename the button scan card, scan credit card, credit scan card. Okay, and I will add one more view, the text view. It is responsible to display the card number after we scan. Okay. It should be under, and can remove the text, apply the text size 25 dp, and it should match, or you can use a 0 dp. It will match the parent button and the view. Okay, so right now let's implement. Go to the main activity, create variable for button, and one more for the view to display the result. The view TV, okay, and then import, and then we need for the button we need to find the reference from the layout. Just find view by ID the button thing. Okay, and one more for the view. Find view by ID take view. Okay, so right now let's implement the button. I create one method private void on scan on button listener. On button listener, it has no parameter, and go to the again. Okay, so here we just need to create an intent, copy the code, so paste it here, and we already seen the project. I think we can import the card.io object. See, okay, and one more thing, we have to create one code integer in name and one, and then so we need to implement the listener for the button set on listener new, okay, and then call the method. So this one we will open the card.io activity and then scan the card. So here it is very important that you need to read this extra, here you can control and click on that and it will come here. This one optional, the default. If you set it false, it will set the inspired information will not be required if you false. Yeah, and it's very descriptive. I think you require the CVV if you done it just for something like that. Yeah, postal code you need it from the card. So there's a lot you can read. Okay, so you need to handle on the activity result. Here you just copy it all. I think you can understand that. And paste it here. So need to import the class. So here because you intend to the card.io activity, when after it capture the card and it will send back to this method, and here is the code. So we through this code and then it will come back, and if we compare it is same, so it will do this thing. So here we create a variable to display the result. It is a string, so we will grab the information like scan result get get redacted card number, so it will get it and then assign it to here, and then it will append to expiration date. If if you need this one, if it is true, we embed with this one, and if it has value, it will print. If it has the CVV, I think it will print with the result, and also for the postal code. So here we need to set it to the view. Here to view. So I think that's all. So let's run. So I use my phone. So I need to share the screen. I need to open one here in order to see my screen. Okay, so let run. This thing very slow. Yeah. So let's click on the thing and need Visa card import. Scan, but it is not working. I think it's not a real Visa card. That is why it's not working. So press OK. Come back. Let again scan credit card. So here we have a button scan a card, and let's press on the button. Press. If you ask the permission, allow it. Allow. So right now is we open the screen. Oh, it's not see. Maybe I need to reload this one. Cannot. It's a problem with my screens sharing. So we scan the card. It's no success. If we use the real card, it can. Here is the result after I scan. I think their library forbidden for this capture the screen. That is why when we open the scanning card, cannot see that activity. So thank you all. So please have to subscribe, and next time when I release a new video, you will receive it, because I will find another useful library that can help and push our work or develop more faster. Yes, thank you so much. So don't forget to subscribe.